Welcome to UVP Auto. Today we're reviewing the all-new 2026 luxury model, a masterpiece of design, technology, and performance. Let's explore what makes this car truly futuristic. Precision in motion, these tires grip the world with power and style. Every turn, every road built for dominance and unstoppable control. Massive power meets perfect grip, these tires define control, stability, and pure strength. Built to conquer every road, this is not just command the future from the driver's seat, every control, pure precision. This is where innovation meets power, built for those who lead the way. Where luxury meets comfort, this bedroom redefines relaxation on the move. Soft lights, smooth design, and a space built to dream. Smart space, sleek design, this mini kitchen brings comfort to the road. Every corner crafted for elegance, every detail built for your lifestyle. Step inside the future of luxury travel, where every detail speaks elegance. From the driver's seat to the bedroom, perfection.